Amakhosi have made a big announcement on the future of development product Mfundo Vilakazi. Promoted to the first team this season, Vilakazi is seen as one of the future prospects at Naturena, and the club has confirmed that they extended the deal of midfielder, which will see him staying with Soweto Giants until 2028, giving him a first team contract. Vilakazi, popularly known as Obrigado, made his first team debut in the Nedbank Cup clash against Motsepe Foundation Championship outfit Milford FC. A game many Amakhosi supporters will not want to remember due to the fact that they were knocked out in the first round on the penalties by the second tier outfit. The young star also got an opportunity to feature in the final minute of the Soweto Derby against Orlando Pirates in March, and will be hoping to get more chances in the final few weeks of the campaign as Amakhosi look to finish the campaign on a positive note to prepare themselves for the next term. With Chiefs looking to rebuild their squad for next season with a new coach in charge, Vilakazi is one of the players management want to have on board. Vilakazi opened up on signing a long-term contract with the Soweto Giants, saying he is determined to repay management for the faith they have shown in him, and said, "I'm happy and excited to have a contract with a big club like Chiefs. It has always been my dream from a young age to play for the senior team and represent Kaizer Chiefs. I'm looking forward to contributing to the club and paying back the management for believing in my talent. I thank all the supporters who always push me to do better. I promise not to disappoint." Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.